Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print hello message and ask for my name and find the length of the name. So there are three tasks you have to perform using the Python program. That is, the first task is print hello message. Then second task is ask for the user to enter his name. And the third task is find the length of the name. So these are the three tasks you have to perform using a Python program. So let's try to solve this using a two-line code. So let me take a name variable, that is a string, and use the input function call and ask the user to enter his name. So we have to also greet the user. So let's say hello, and let's say please enter your name. Yeah, so once the user enters the name, so it will be stored in this variable. Now we have to find the length of the name. So let's use a built-in function to calculate the length and use the print function to print the length of the name. So let me take a print function and let's use a print formatting, and yeah, so let me copy the same. That is, the length of the name is, so pasting over here. So let's use flower braces. So in the flower braces, so let's take a length function call and let's try to print the name. That is the length of the name. Yeah, so this is a complete two-line code to perform the, that is, greet the user and ask for the user's name and find the length of the name. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Yeah, so it has been printed, that is hello, and please enter your name. So let's say something like John. So you can see the length of the name is 4, that is John contains 4 characters. Yeah, so let me re-execute it and please enter your name. So let's say code with TJ. So you can see the length of the name is 12, that is code and space, width and space is 10, and TJ is 2. It contains 12 characters. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to solve this, that is print hello message and ask for the user to enter his name and finally print the length of the name. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.